And welcome to the very first episode of the Property Investors Handbook with Colleen Sutherland. How are you, Colleen?
I'm well, thank you, Rob.
My name's Rob Verhoeven. I'll be helping you on this journey through what will be an exciting podcast series about investing in property and property management.
Yes,
You looking forward to it?
Yes, I will be.
Okay, so Sutherland's Property Management is your business. Tell us a little bit about the Colleen Sutherland story.
I've been in real estate and in particular property management for nearly 35 years.
Wow.
Which is a very long time. A year's a long time in real estate, so 35 is a lifetime.
That is, it surely is.
Yes, so I started as a receptionist and just sitting on the front counter in the days that we used to get the little cards out and write on those and how much money they've paid and that sort of thing. And then working my way through to being a property manager, a senior property manager, and then a business owner.
So the business owner part of Sutherland's Property Management, how long ago did that all start?
In June 2004, so next month.
19 years. 19 years. We're doing this.
Years.
We're doing this in 2023. So
yes. 19
years. So you must be doing a lot of things right to be in business for 19 years, because we know that small businesses don't last if they're not.
No, they don't. They come and go. It's creating a good business model to start with. And if you've got the good business model, then the business and the clients will follow.
So what does a property manager do?
A property manager is someone who will not just manage the property, but they manage the people involved in the transaction and they manage the profit. So the profit will be not just the income, but the equity in the property, either retaining the equity or increasing the equity and making sure the property retains its value.
So we were very lucky to have you as a guest on our podcast some time ago.
Yes.
And I remember one of the things that you spoke about at length was educating the investors.
Correct.
And that's something that you're passionate about.
Yes. One of my favourite sayings is education is the most cost-effective form of risk mitigation. So if there is anything that you're going to do with that sum of money, then you need to mitigate risk and make sure that you are buying the investment property to either leverage off it and buy another one or be able to invest in your own home.
Because we all have different reasons for buying an investment property,
Yes.
don't we?
Yes.
So the opportunity for the people to sit down with you, the clients to sit down with you and learn about the ins and outs of the property investing market is something that you also help people with?
Yes, we need to be mindful not giving financial advice, but just giving them like where to buy, how to buy, when to buy.
The property advice.
Yes, yeah, and just general advice about investing in property so that when it comes time to be talking to the accountant, the financer, the insurance company, you've got some back knowledge and know what questions to ask those people to get the solid advice and be able to invest wisely.
Make that informed decision, which is so
Correct.
important these days.
It is,
Because there's so much information. We have this thing called the internet, which people will be watching us on right now. I think one day that internet will take off too, just quietly.
Yeah.
We'll see. But yeah, we've got so much information at our fingertips. Getting the right information becomes the key to success.
It does, yes. So you've got Mr. Google and he can tell you stuff, whether it's the right stuff and information that you need to be investing. Let's face it, it's $500,000
That's right,
plus. Yeah. And that's a lot of money.
That is a heck of a lot of money in any day. But today, with everything that's going on, it's a huge amount. Sutherland's Property Management is based at Burleigh Heads.
Correct, yes.
So, but you don't just look after properties in that area, do you?
No, we've got a broad spectrum. So we're pretty much the entire Gold Coast. We do cross over the border down to Kingscliff and Cabarita. Probably not much further than that, but we're holding 2 licenses, so we can do both states. But yeah, predominantly the Gold Coast and then the corridor to Brisbane.
Okay, so how do people get in touch with Colleen if they want to get some more information?
You can search our business, which is Sutherland's Property Management,
Yep.
and that will take you to the website. On that website, if you're looking for more information because you're just curious, I do have a cheat sheet on there that you can download and just to find out a few basics before you start.
So that gets us in the door of having some idea of what we need to be looking for in the property investing place.
Yes.
Look, that's fantastic. Look, I'm really looking forward to doing a few more of these podcasts with you and following what happens on the Sutherland's Property Management podcast page in the future.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it too.
Excellent.
Thanks so much.